Many greetings to all the Tibetans inside and outside Tibet, and all the Tibet support groups and parliamentary friends of Tibet. On behalf of the 16th Cabinet and on my personal behalf, I wish to extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you from Dharamsala. Through this paper, we hope that the Tibetan advocates will have a better understanding of how the executive of the Central Tibetan Administration intends to move forward, and this can also help you in your advocacy work to explain to people about Tibet. Oftentimes we tend to believe that people around the world know about Tibet, but unfortunately that is not the reality. We have to explain Tibet, we have to explain the people of Tibet, we have to explain about the history of Tibet, and we have to explain about the current situation inside Tibet to the international community if we have to be effective voice for our brothers and sisters inside Tibet who are suffering under the Chinese occupation.